Now we're going to fold a zip down or zip up shirt. Now these are great because you're traveling or you're at home and you just want to have another layer. This would be easy, perfect, but clearly not the object of our goal or objectives today. So you're going to start out lying out the shirt flat. Again, make sure you have a good surface and zip the shirt up first. So this is the easy part. And then you want to go ahead and shake it out because you want this to be as neat as possible without wrinkles. So shake it out and then lie it out flat once more. Bring your sleeves out. Press and straighten everything out. And then make sure the seams on your shirt are neat all the way down to the cuffs. Again, straightening it out as much as possible. Take it across to the arm. Other side, you want to pull, straighten. Press it out and take it across to the other arm. Now we want to look at the bottom of the body. Still want to pull that in, bring it all the way to the top, readjust, and press the shirt out. Now since you have a collar on this one, I'm going to say tuck that collar in. Bring your right side over. And your left side over. And now you have a neat zip up or zip down shirt.